Part 1. The Great Divergence. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are dissecting one of the most polarizing setups in the technology sector for 2026. We are talking about SoundHound AI, ticker symbol SOUN. Right now, the market is witnessing a literal war of conviction. On one side, you have analysts at H.C. Wainwright who have effectively slammed the brakes on this rally. On the other, the bulls at Cantor Fitzgerald are looking at a horizon where this stock more than doubles. As of this morning, the price is hovering around $8.60, following that massive gap down on March 2nd. This has created a vacuum of sentiment. Are we looking at a falling knife that will bottom out at $9? Or is this the ultimate buy-the-dip opportunity before a rocket ship to $20? To trade this like a master, you must look past the headlines and understand the mechanics of the price action. Welcome to the NeuroTrade's investing channel. In this video, we will be analyzing Great Divergence and definitively answer the question of the 2026 price target war, $9 or $20. Part 2, the bear case. Let us look at why the bears are growling. When SoundHound reported their fourth quarter results, the headline screamed $40 million in GAAP net income. To the untrained eye, that looks like a miracle for a growth company. However, the smartest money in the room knows that this was largely a paper gain from a fair value adjustment on acquisition liabilities. It was not pure operational profit. The bears argue that at 16 times price to sales, the valuation is still stretched too thin for a company that is still working toward a consistent, non-GAAP break-even point. They see the recent drop below the 50-day moving average of $9.58 as a sign that the momentum has officially broken. If you are a bear, you believe the AI hype is finally meeting the cold, hard reality of the balance sheet, and you are waiting for a much deeper correction before even considering an entry. Part 3. The bull case and the $1 billion moat. Now, let us flip the script. Why are the bulls targeting $20? Because revenue does not lie. SoundHound just posted record annual revenue of $169 million. That is an increase of nearly 100% year over year. More importantly, they are no longer just a voice company. They have evolved into an agentic AI powerhouse. Their cumulative subscriptions and unit backlog has ballooned to over $1 billion. Think about that. While the market frets over quarterly fluctuations, SoundHound is locking in long-term, high-margin software contracts with global automotive giants and massive restaurant chains like Five Guys. The bulls see this recent price drop as a gift. They see a company with $248 million in cash, zero debt, and a dominant position in the next phase of human-to-computer interaction. To them, $20 is not just a target, it is an inevitability. Part 4. The Master's Verdict and Strategy. So how do we play this? As the smartest investor in the room, I do not gamble on maybe. I trade on likely. Technically, the stock is in a period of price discovery. We are currently trading below both the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average of $12.88. This tells me that the market is in a show-me phase. If you are looking for maximum upside, watch the $9 level closely. If SOUN can reclaim $9.50 on heavy volume, the price target war will likely be won by the bulls. However, do not ignore the power of institutional accumulation. Vanguard has been quietly increasing their stake to over 10%. When the whales are buying the fear, you should be paying attention. My strategy? I am looking for stability at these levels before scaling into a position. This is a battle of patience versus panic. Make sure you are on the side of the data, not the drama. I will see you in the next one.